Documents or information that you need to get ready and keep handy before you start linking your bank account to your AdSense account. Let me rephrase. The important information that you need to keep ready before you can go ahead to add a payment method in your AdSense account. Now, if you're monetized on YouTube, you all know that you actually have to get to this point in your life where you have to start linking your bank account to your AdSense account so that you can receive your money. Because if you don't link your bank account, how do you want to get the money? Where will the money go to? If Google wants to pay you, where would they pay you to? Where would they, like, from where to where? So you need to have your AdSense account linked to your bank account, or your bank account linked to your AdSense account, or a payment method added to your AdSense account to be able to receive your money successfully. I already made a video on how you can actually do this. You can check the description for the particular video on how you can do this thing. It doesn't really take time. But this video is centered on the particular documents, not really documents per se, but things that you need to keep ready before you can start adding that payment method. Okay, now the number one thing you should keep handy is your bank account name. Wait, I did not say your name, because your name, like the way your name appears on documents, might be different from how it appears in your bank accounts. So you have to keep your bank name ready. For example, let's say your name is Okafor Cynthia Chiamaka. Your documents are showing Okafor whatever. But when it comes to your bank account, like that particular bank account you want to link, what is there is Cynthia Chiamaka Okafor. Please put your name as Cynthia Chiamaka Okafor. Don't go and put Chiamaka Cynthia Okafor or Chiamaka Okafor Cynthia or Okafor Chiamaka Cynthia. No, put it exactly the way it is on your bank account. Very important. The second thing you should also have in mind, or you also have to keep ready, is your bank account number. Please be careful in the bank account number. If you put in the wrong account number, of course, you know the money is going to go somewhere else. It will not get to your account. And why would you want to work and somebody else will enjoy the money? Monkey the will the job. If your bank account is wrong, you may not even link it well. It will not even be able to link. If eventually links like that, just know that when it's time to receive payments, the money will not enter your account. Where it will enter, yourself, you will not know. And you will not hold Google responsible for it. You will have yourself to blame. So make sure that your account number is written down somewhere and correct. Then the next thing you should also have in mind is the bank name. Like the way the bank name is, don't abbreviate. If the bank name is in capital letter, write it in capital letter. Don't abbreviate anything. If you're not exactly sure of the full name of your bank, please search on Google. Go to Google or go to your bank, or if you can even get your emails, they send you emails every time you make debit and credit payments, right? Get the full name there and put it in the AdSense when you are trying to link. Finally, this one is the most important of it all, because even if you get other ones right and you get this one wrong, your money will not get to you. You won't receive your money. In fact, the payment method you're trying to add, not even add, it's not going to link successfully. And which is the bank Swift code. Each bank has a Swift code, and sometimes even the branches will have their own sub Swift code. So just like there might be a general Swift code for all the banks, like a particular bank, let me say UBA for example, have a Swift code. Then the other branches in Lagos, these might be adding other letters, maybe 3 extra digits to it. Let's say you're even in Lagos and I'm not even sure if the Swift code you're seeing is the correct one for Lagos, or you're in Enugu, I'm not sure if the one you're seeing is actually for Enugu. Please use the general Swift code. The Swift code applies to all the banks in all the states. Like, I don't mean all the banks in Nigeria, I mean UBA, for example, has a general Swift code that applies to all the branches in Nigeria. Okay, so look for the general one. It's usually, I think, 8 digits, right? Yes. Is when you now start seeing 11 digits that it comes with the sub branches. It's a combination of numbers and alphabets. So just 8 in number. Make sure that you write it down somewhere, because if you make mistakes, just say bye bye to your money, Otilo. So make sure that you have the correct cheat code. If you're not sure of the correct cheat code and you're not sure about what you're seeing on Google, go to the bank and request for the cheat code. They will give it to you and you can put it in your AdSense account. Now there's the one that is optional, which is beneficiary ID. People don't normally use it, but you want to make sure what that particular one means. Okay, so make sure you have these 4 things ready before you can go ahead to start clicking on that add payment method or link bank account. Okay, like I said, your full name just as it is written on your bank accounts, the bank name itself, the full name of the bank itself, your bank account number, and then the bank swift code. Okay, if you want to know how to now do this bank linking process, check the video in the description or the one on your screen on how you can link this thing successfully. It does not really take time. Okay, now I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to even check out my playlist for other AdSense tips. I will see you when I see you. Bye.